Yo, I'm outside with like my dog and my grandma's dog, and look at this. First off, hi, but like this, it's like so. The snow is so crunchy. Like, hear it. Like, and I might be like, no, well, it's just the bird seeds. This is the bird seeds, and then right here there's like no bird seeds. Very crunchy. So, can someone explain why the snow is so crunchy? Like, let's just do some ASMR real quick. Idea. Fireball. Let's drink make a baby one here too. Fireball. Made a big one off camera too.